Feeling the Microsoft Office is slowing down your PC? That background click to run service might be the culprit. Stick around as we show you how to disable it on Windows 11 and take back control of your system's performance. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are showing how to disable the Office click to run service on Windows 11. If you have noticed Office constantly running in the background or eating up resources, this guide will walk you step by step through disabling it safely. Let's dive right in. What click to run does on Windows 11. If Office click to run keeps waking your PC or feels like it's slowing down things, you are not imagining it. Click to run is a background service that handles streaming installations, repairs, and automatic updates for Office apps so that they are ready to use even while finishing installation. That convenience comes with constant background activity, which some users prefer to turn off for more control over performance and updates. Click to run feature helps in streaming install. It lets you open Word, Excel, and other apps before the full suite is installed using Microsoft's streaming and virtualization technology. Background maintenance. The feature continuously checks for updates, performs repairs, and handles add-on installs, which can show up in Task Manager and occasionally use CPU even when apps are closed. Disable click to run in Microsoft Office on Windows 11. Method 1. Disable click to run using services. This method fully stops the service from starting with Windows. It's the most straightforward if you want complete control. Before you start, note that Office won't auto-update. You can still open Office apps, but updates must be done manually later. You will need administrator privileges to change service startup types. Now, here are the steps to disable the service. Press Windows key, type services, then select services, or press Windows plus R, type services.msc and press enter. In the Services window, scroll to locate Microsoft Office Click to Run Service. Right-click Microsoft Office Click to Run Service and choose Properties. Under the General tab, set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Apply, then OK. With the service selected, click Stop in the toolbar to end it immediately. Reboot your PC to ensure the services doesn't start again on login. Repeat the steps and set Startup Type to Automatic if you want Click to Run back. After disabling update and maintenance tips, run Office updates periodically from within the Office app or through Windows Update if managed by your organization. Use Task Manager to confirm Office click to run.exe no longer runs at startup after the services method. Method 2. Uninstall Office click to run editions. If you are on a click to run edition and prefer a different deployment, you can remove the click to run Office and install an alternative build. This is more advanced and typically for managed environments. You can uninstall via settings. To do that, open Windows settings, then select apps, then install apps. Next, select Microsoft Office, then uninstall. Now reinstall with desired build. Method 3. Repair Office. If you need to repair Office later, re-enable the service temporarily or use the Office Quick Repair or Online Repair from settings. Here is how to do that. Open Windows settings, then select Apps, then Install Apps. Now look for the Microsoft Office app, click on the three dots menu and select Modify. Then click on Yes from the USE prompt. Select Quick Repair or Online Repair and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. And that's it. You have successfully disabled the Office Click to Run service on Windows 11. Remember, this stops automatic updates, so don't forget to check for updates manually when needed. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, reliable tech solutions. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next video.